Good afternoon, students. How are you? All of you fine? Okay. I will start our second year botany syllabus. Okay. In second year botany, our first unit is plant physiology. It is very important unit. The weightage of this unit is 28 marks in your public exam. So this unit contain more weightage in your public exam, maximum of a percentage in your paper. And in plant physiology, the first topic is enzymes. So enzymes, what are the enzymes? Enzymes are biological catalysts and produced only in living cells. So they are biological catalysts and produced only in living cells. That means in the presence of a enzyme, a reaction will be completed very quickly. Example, citric acid. So you see, citric acid, it is converted into cis-aconitic acid in both reactions. In first reaction, enzyme is absent. In the second reaction, enzyme is present. The enzyme is aconitase. In the first reaction, here enzyme is absent. This process, it will be completed near about 4 to 5 hours. That means citric acid convert into cis-aconic acid in 4 to 5 hours in the absence of enzyme. Next, in the second reaction, citric acid convert into cis-aconic acid. This reaction takes near about 20 minutes in the presence of enzyme. The enzyme is aconitase. So here, when enzyme is involved in reaction, the reaction will be completed. That's why enzymes are biological catalysts. Next, enzymes first discovered by Buchner from yeast cells. Buchner was discovered the enzyme from yeast cell. He was discovered enzyme is gymase. So first discovered enzyme is gymase. Next, so enzymes are first isolated by, that means enzymes are converted into crystal form by Sumner. So Sumner is isolated the enzymes. The first isolated enzyme is urease. So urease is the first crystallized enzyme. So isolated or crystallized. Next, the term enzyme is proposed by Kuhne. Enzyme term is proposed by Kuhne. Okay. Properties of enzymes. Enzymes physically collides. That means physically enzymes are look like colloids, but chemically they are proteins. So physical behavior of enzymes are colloids and chemical behavior is proteins. Next, all enzymes are proteins. You see, all enzymes are protein, but all proteins are not enzymes. That means proteins are present in all enzymes. That's why all enzymes are proteins, but in some enzyme non-protein part also present. That's why all proteins are not enzymes. This will be come in next class. Next, enzymes contain more molecular weight. So each enzyme contain its own molecular weight. The molecular weight is very high. Next, enzymes, they are act on some compounds. The compounds are called substrates. Enzymes, they will be act on other compounds. The compounds are called substrates. By the action of enzyme, substrates divide into proteins. By the action of enzyme, substrate divide into products. Here S means substrate, E means enzyme. By the effect of enzyme, substrate divide into proteins. So enzyme did not change. That means enzyme structure did not change. Next, turnover number. By the action of an enzyme, substrate divide into products. So by the action of an enzyme, if substrate divide into how many products? How many products? The products number is called enzyme turnover number. So by the action of an enzyme, substrate divide into one to many products. This product number is called enzyme turnover number. Example, sucrose. So here sucrose, it is divided into fructose and glucose by sucrase. Here only one sucrose molecule is there. This sucrose molecule divided into two products. One product is fructose, another product is glucose. Here two products are formed. Here 2 is sucrase enzyme turnover number. Okay,